1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve in your life. 2. Take action. Don't just dream. Take steps toward your goals every day. 3. Stay persistent. Success often requires perseverance. Don't give up easily. 4. Embrace failure. Learn from your mistakes and view them as opportunities for growth. 5. Cultivate a positive mindset. Maintain a positive attitude and believe in yourself. 6. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who support and inspire you. 7. Manage your time. Use your time wisely and prioritize tasks that align with your goals. 8. Learn continuously. Keep acquiring new knowledge and skills. 9. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you're thankful for to boost your overall happiness. 10. Take care of your health. A healthy body and mind are essential for success. 11. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth often happens when you challenge yourself. 12. Visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals to increase motivation. 13. Stay organized. Keep your life and work organized for greater efficiency. 14. Network and build relationships. Connect with people who can help you on your journey. 15. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your progress, not the success of others. 16. Give back. Helping others can be incredibly rewarding and fulfilling. 17. Stay flexible, adapt to change, and be open to new opportunities. 18. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and reward yourself for your achievements. 19. Stay inspired. Seek out inspiration through books, videos, and mentors. 20. Face fear. Confront your fears and doubts head on. 21. Set realistic expectations. Be patient and understand that success takes time. 22. Find your passion. Pursue what truly excites and motivates you. 23. Stay mindful. Practice mindfulness to reduce stress and improve focus. 24. Invest in self-improvement. Continuously work on developing yourself. 25. Avoid procrastination. Break tasks into smaller steps and tackle them one at a time. 26. Believe in yourself. Trust in your abilities and your potential for success.